GWENN, Ainsley, AINSLEY, B, Ambion, AMBION. We are so rich, I think. I love my family and Shem too.
Hi, my name is Cleona. Kleona.
Alam mo, you know guys that we are so rich. This is not our house. This is house of my Lola. My Lola is a very rich too. But guys, don't forget to love someone people who very poor, because we are so very kind to all of very poor. Hindi naman we are not so rich. It's the same. And guys, bye. I love you guys. Alam mo naman yan guys na you know guys that we love you and we love us. Jesus loved us, so don't be bad to someone people who not love you. So kung don't bad someone love you, and don't say that if you poor you're so very bad. Okay, bye.